Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are focusing on how to prepare for a technical interview at TCS. So in this session I'll be entirely discussing about Java, the topics where you have to stress on, because the interview pattern for TCS has changed. They were not only asking the OOPS concepts, they were expecting something other technologies from you as well. So those who have mentioned Java in their resume, this video might be helpful for them to where they have to focus on. So let's begin the session. The topic number 1 is OOPS. In OOPS they have to focus on encapsulation, and secondly polymorphism, and third one inheritance, and fourth one is abstraction. So what you need to focus on these are: in encapsulation you just remember the definitions and how to explain it, and coming to the polymorphism you have to explain about the compile time polymorphism as well as runtime polymorphism with examples. They are method overloading, method overriding. And coming to the inheritance, Java has only 4 types of inheritance, especially for classes. So what you need to stress here is you need to explain about single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. And coming to the abstraction, what you need to explain here is what kind of questions you can expect here is abstract classes, interfaces, and at the same time interfaces has the following property called as multiple inheritance. So these are the things that you need to focus especially on the OOPS concept, and allot some less time for variables, identifiers, conditional statements, looping statements, for those things. And secondly you can focus on access modifiers. Here you need to focus on public, private, and protected. You need to familiar with these concepts. After access modifiers you need to stress on collections, and in collections what you need to focus here is array list, linked list, trees, hash set, hash map. So these are most repeated questions in TCS interview, as well as you need to know the difference between array list versus arrays, and array list versus hash map. For these things you need to know the concept as well as programs, and at the same time you must be familiar with binary search trees, B trees, heap, min heap and max heap, priority queue. So for these things you need to know concept, and later you need to focus on exception handling, and in exception handling you need to study about compile time exception and runtime exception, and you need to focus here about throwable, throw, throws, and after that you have to focus on creation of custom exceptions, and later you need to focus on try, catch, final. So these are the topics you need to focus on exception handling. After exception handling you need to focus on searching and sorting. In searching you need to learn about linear search and binary search. Coming to the sorting techniques, you have to be familiar with bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, quick sort. So out of these 7 programs you will be expected to write at least one program in the interview session. So you can more focus on binary search, bubble sort, merge sort, quick sort. Here not only the program, you need to focus on the mechanism, how it works, as well as the algorithm for it and time complexities. After completion of searching and sorting, focus on JDBC concepts, like how many ways we can create JDBC, that are 4 types, as well as learn program for it. After completion of JDBC, focus on servlets and XML. In servlets, focus on generic as well as HTTP, because they are expecting not only the OOPS concepts, they want beyond that, so that they can filter out the students, those who have a good knowledge in Java. So please try to focus on servlets and XML. After that, tools and frameworks. In tools and frameworks, you can mention at least any one tool or framework, such as Spring Boot or Hibernate or Apache, Kafka, etc. So this will be the more added advantage for you if you have a thorough knowledge in these frameworks. So by comparing all the interview sessions, I came to conclusion these are the most repeated topics in TCS interview. So please kindly prepare these topics. You can expect a maximum number of questions from these topics. So if you feel this video is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends as well. Thank you.